I'm Bill Shopoff. I'm President and CEO of Shopoff Realty Investments, and I would like to welcome everybody to our year-end recap. 2023 was forecasted to be a choppy year, and it certainly didn't disappoint. Transaction volume was down dramatically, almost 70% from 2022. This was led by a number of issues: a significant disconnect between sellers and buyers, a lack of lending that certainly was exacerbated by the closure of several of the regional banks early in the year. Obviously, we had to deal with interest rate hikes, with a number of rate hikes from the Federal Reserve, although it appears we've now peaked out, with the 10-year Treasury reaching just below 5% in October, and it's retreated now back to just over 3.9% here as I speak in late December. Here at Shopoff, we had an excellent year. Although we had forecasted $1.1 billion in transaction volume on the dispositions and financing side, we still achieved $477 million, which against the overall market, I think is an excellent result, and we're quite pleased with it. On the acquisition side, it was a little bit different. We were a little bit choosier and only acquired one asset for $16 million against the backdrop of our forecasted business plan of $200 million in acquisitions. We utilized the change in the market to push a number of other acquisitions into 2024 while changing terms and pricing to make those more attractive to our investors. All of this against the backdrop of a growing economy. Although there's still been discussion of a potential for a recession, we've had domestic economic growth of 25% since COVID. Now I'd like to look forward at what we see as opportunities for 2024. Our focus remains in a number of areas. We're going to continue to look for shopping centers and other retail opportunities to repurpose and redevelop, such as we've accomplished in the past year. Additionally, we see opportunities in the single-family build-for-rent space, especially serving the workforce housing community. And then lastly, we see opportunity for our industrial development platform. Here at Shopoff, we own or control nearly 15 million square feet of potential industrial development. We think that's a particularly robust opportunity given the combination of onshoring and e-commerce growth. Those two things combined will continue to build for a long-term industrial demand, and we at Shopoff plan to take advantage of that. Additionally, we see an opportunity for many long-term owners forced to become sellers as they have impending loan maturities that they can't deal with higher rates and lower proceeds available to them. There will be buying opportunities for those savvy and patient investors such as us here at Shopoff Realty Investments. Now I'd like to take an opportunity to thank everyone who's made this possible. We've just successfully completed our 31st year in business, something that very few companies get to accomplish. Clearly, I couldn't have done that without the support of my team here at Shopoff Realty Investments. I'm blessed to have such a great group of people who make my job easier and allow us to grow our business in a fashion that I could have never envisioned. Additionally, I have to thank our investors. Without you and the investments you make, we wouldn't be able to do what we do here at Shopoff. So thank you for your trust and confidence in us, and I look forward to being able to grow your investments in the coming years. Lastly, I'd like to thank my wife, Cindy Shopoff. I've been fortunate to work with my wife and as my business partner and grow this company to the success that it's become. She has decided it's time to retire and move on to other opportunities and choices in her life. But she did so by helping me build a great management team and allow us to be ready for this time to proceed into the future. And with that, I'd like to wish everyone a great holiday season and a blessed new year. Thank you very much.